Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshan on 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you the Seagate 5TB Backup Plus Portable hard drive. Comes with some extra software you can see here. There's also some links inside that you can download even more software for this hard drive because there's so much space. Comes with a couple-year warranty depending on where you live in the world. So here's the drive itself. Comes with some documentation, as you just saw. Works with PC and Mac, although you may have to reformat it to work 100% with the Mac. But reformatting is free and easy. So we'll show you some details right here of the drive. You can pause this and read this at any time. But what I like most about the drive is it's 5 terabytes of storage. That's an insane amount of storage in such a small drive. Now most of the casing is plastic, but the top part is metal, so the heat dissipation will be a lot easier. It's nice and shiny right there. This is from Seagate. There's only one port connector, that's a USB 3.0 port right there, and then they give you the cord in the box. So there it is, the SuperSpeed USB 3.0. Might even be 3.1, but we'll have to check that in the details, which will be in the description of the video. So this is the 5 terabyte Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard drive with metal top for that extra heat dissipation. This is Chris Roshan at 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate those positive comments and of course, thumbs up.